What the Congress said was that it would ban all organizations that promote hate, which is valid, which they should be doing, and also because the BJP has now taken this up as banning Bajrang Dal is banning Bajrang Bali, which is completely inaccurate. I mean, Bajrang Dal is one organization. What people believe, the gods that they worship, are completely different. I mean, so the BJP is also creating this issue, and then the media is covering it. In the process, so many issues that should be covered. I mean, if you think about unemployment and underemployment, it is not just unemployment, but it is youth who do not get work to the level that they need, and so many youth who have stopped looking for work. These kinds of issues get barely any coverage. So whether it's covering the Congress manifesto, whether it's covering candidate speeches, in all of these issues, the media has to go beyond the buzz. It has to go deeper into the issues. It has to cover things that are not being covered today.